Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. When you walk along, ooh, na 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 na. 5 fingers on it, 5 fingers. Hit it like you want it, I mean hit it like I'm on it.
Straight guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel. My name is Bicana and welcome. But anyways, I'm sure as you know by the title that I went to Sephora and I got me some Fenty Beauty. And I just want to start off by saying, like, I'm so extremely, really, just hugely appreciative that Rihanna and her team and the makeup company itself was so inclusive to not only females of darker skin tone, but females of extremely, extremely light, like albinism skin tone. Well, it's not a skin tone, but you know. So 40 shades, 40 entire shades. I'm just really happy that this time my skin color is not the darkest one, you know, like, or even finding a, like, something at some company, I'm not gonna name anybody, where my skin color is not even there. So it's like, that's really a letdown. Like, I'm ready to spend my money, and I'm just kidding. But can we start off by saying how cute the boxes are? Like, if you can see that, if the camera's focusing, I hope it focuses. This, my honey darling, this is Trophy Wife. It's called Kilowatt. Well, that's, I don't really know what that means. I don't really get why it's called Kilowatt, but then it has Trophy Wife as the name, so I think Kilowatt is just like the, like, how do you, never mind. I didn't go there. But look at the packaging. Isn't it so cute? It's really cute. This is the, not gonna pronounce that word because we don't speak French. Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I'm in the color 390. Ooh. Is the lip gloss. And this is called Universal Lip Luminizer, and it truly is a glass bomb. Actually, it truly is luminizing and universal because I've seen it on everybody, and everyone in the campaign is wearing the exact same lip gloss. This is like sisterhood of the traveling lip glosses because they match and fit everybody. It looks good on everybody. I think we should make that a thing. Rihanna already made it a thing. Alright, I'm doing the most. But so these are all the products I got. I got 4 products and they all came up to $102, which I almost died, bitch. I almost died. I am actually saving money, but yeah. After taxes, it was $110 because, you know, New York is extra. But taxes brought it up to $110. So what I'm gonna do is I need to stop saying that's what I'm gonna do. And then I wanted to say and I did. But I'm going to open the packages. How about that? So what I'm gonna start with is the beauty blender because I've been showing all my friends these. And I haven't opened it because I'm like, I wanna open it on camera. I wanna open it. My friend asked me to swatch it. I'm like, are you kidding? We're swatching this on camera. But yeah, let me open it. This is so good. It looks like a little mouse. Look at it. Don't it like add a tail, 2 ears, and it would look like a little mouse. It's so cute. And I kid you not, I've felt beauty blenders before. I never had one of my own. I've never really used one. I think I used one time, but it's not mine. I don't have a beauty blender. Until now I have a Rihanna blender. It's so soft. Like, it has a little weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap. It's so soft. Like, I don't know. It's just like, look at it's so soft. It's so soft. Like, I'm sorry. Packaging for that. I like to keep my packaging. Does anybody else keep their packaging? I like to keep my packaging. I don't know why. The next thing is the lip gloss. Look at this. It's like a peach gold. Not a peach gold. Rose gold. A rose gold color, and it has the Fenty Beauty logo on the top, if you can see that. Ooh, this kind of, you know, looks good with my nail. It's like I can hold it in a commercial. That's weird. I need to chill. But yeah, it says Fenty Beauty, and it's just so cute. Like, I don't know. It has that little hexagon shape. Octagon? Hexagon? Whatever. I was never good at math. Has that shape on it. And I've already smelled it before because it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like to me it smells like Kool-Aid. It smells like strawberry Kool-Aid or like a fruit punch. Like, oh my god. If you watch the little promo video, she was talking about kissing somebody with this. Go get you this if you want to kiss somebody and taste good, bitch. Because this smells really good. So, the Fenty Beauty Lip Balm. Luminizing Balm. Gloss Balm. Sorry, I butcher names. But it says addictive shine, nourishing wear, universal finishing touch. Brilliance, irresistible. Oh, this is French. Alright, I thought there was more to it. But no, yeah, it's very addictive. The smell is addictive. And I'm going to put it on closer to the end of this video. Not really. A little bit later into this video. In a universal finishing touch. And like I said, this is very universal. Like, go look up the pictures of people, the people in the campaign. And if you see them with a glossy lip, you will see them with a glossy lip. This is what they're wearing. And why not put it back in the box? I'm gonna put it right here. They're so cute. The sponge was $16, which is cheaper than the Beauty Blender sponge, I've heard. The lip gloss was $18. It's a little bit pricey. I don't think I would ever buy lip gloss for $18. Victoria's Secret has a good amount of lip glosses for like $7. The closest beauty supply store got lip glosses for much cheaper than that. But it's Rihanna and it's very good. It's very good. So what I'm opening right now is Kilowatt in Trophy Wife. I picked this up because when I saw Joanne the Scammer on Instagram put it on, when I saw a lot of other beauty people put it on, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna walk out the store without Trophy Wife. It's so beautiful. Fenty Beauty. I hope you can see this and I hope it's not blurry. But like, do you see the purple or pink like undertones? I don't know how to describe it. Like, the case is white, but there's like speckles of purple and pink, green. It's just beautiful. Like, I really hope you can see it. Like, maybe. Alright, if you can't see it, like if you haven't seen it now, it's probably just not going to show up. But the case itself is smooth. Like, the packaging on this is just well done. Well done. I don't know what it is with the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what it is with the shape. That one was 5. This one is 8. So I don't know what she was going for, but I love it. This is what it looks like. Trophy Wife. Can you see it, guys? Look at that. Look at that beauty. Yeah, I hope you can see this. Look at that. Can you see it? Do you see how beautiful that is? Like, to some people it's like highly unrealistic, but to me, I love it. And I think my swatch is perfect too. Like, I don't know, never mind. But look at it. Oh my god. It's really pigmented. I'm gonna show you like that you can make it like a little bit less pigmented. I just hope you see it. So just have to do the math there. Look at my middle finger and look directly below it by where my joints are, like right around here. Like this is such, I can wear this every day. I will wear this every day. Probably not every day like that, but I could wear it every day like this. Like this is giving me some Beyonce vibes. Like this gold is beautiful. Yeah, that looks so beautiful. Look at that. Look at my knuckle. Yeah. This is super duper beautiful and there's still so much product left on my finger. This is amazing. Hope you don't think I'm flicking you off. And then last but not least, the foundation. Like I told you, my little tragic story with me trying to match myself and failing drastically. Like I thought. You thought. While I do this, does anybody watch Insecure? What did y'all think about the latest episode? I most likely won't have any comments on this video, but I still would like to ask, like, you know, leave a comment down below if you plan on buying it, if you already ordered it online, if you're just checking out what it looks like on a beautiful black girl like me. I'm doing the most now. I hope you don't watch this far. Oh my gosh, like tell me that this bottle, this glass, this tube doesn't look really good. It has a matte finish itself. The makeup is a matte finish. Let me read what the box says. Medium to full coverage for all, long wear, light as air. And that is a fact. Because what I didn't mention earlier is that I did go into Sephora. I mean, I did mention that. I went into Sephora, but I didn't mention that they gave me and everyone for a limited time, so probably for the whole weekend, a complimentary full face makeup by Fenty Beauty. So what I got on my face, and this was mad early in the day, and I have combination to oily skin, so I think I will get the blotting paper or the blotting powder in a couple weeks, or when I can save up and splurge again. But I have this foundation on my face. I have the primer underneath it all. I have Trophy Wife, and I had to brush off some of Trophy Wife. I had to brush it off. It was too bright. Like, I'm wearing it the whole day, and people looking at me like, beautiful, like, oh my god, like, what is that? Who is she? Is it a goddess? You know that frog meme that he's like looking into the sunlight? That's me. I'm the sunlight. Alright, I need to chill. But I also have the a highlight underneath my eyelids, but I don't know, she wasn't really putting on the right color, so you know, Sephora is infamous for that. What else did I have on my face? Yeah, I think that's all I put on my face. But I've had this on my face since 10 a.m. guys, and it's now like almost 7 something. I think it's almost like, I think it's like 6:50 right now. I'm not gonna get up because the chair squeaks. And I'm just gonna wash everything off my face, like everything. So this is you seeing it from the end of the day, because you know people normally come on and show you, oh, this is what it looks like, this is what it looks like now, but this is what it looks like at the end of the day. This is what it looks like when you come home and you're ready to take your face off, and it still looks good. It looks natural. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but you can definitely layer stuff. You can put mascara on, you could put your eyeshadow on. I don't have any of that on right now. What I'm gonna go do now is wash my face completely, come back barefaced as the day I was born, and use this beauty blender and this foundation and this highlight and this lip gloss and show you what it looked like if you woke up and did your makeup in the morning. I'll be back. What most people probably can't tell you is that the foundation, the makeup, everything came off easily. Like, I used Cetaphil. Oh shit, what am I doing? I used Cetaphil and it washed right off. It didn't take me forever. I probably just had to wash my face twice with the Cetaphil, which I normally always do. And it came right off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by squeezing it 2 pumps into my onto my sponge. And I'll start over here. Oh, it's so warm. Not the actual product, guys. The color. The color is really warm. So what I like to do as well, I hope I'm not tearing up this brush, because you know I have a really strong hand, so I hope I'm not tearing up this brush.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown like. When I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too little to dim down the night, cause I can into things that I'm go.
I like it. Can't nobody tell me anything. Most foundations don't work for me because I don't like cakey foundation. If you don't like cakey foundation, this is perfect for you. If you're trying to turn over a new leaf in your life and be natural, this is a new leaf for you. Let's see. Because a little goes a long way with this. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Can you see that? Look at that. There we go. Because I'm not trying to look like the Tin Man. Did the Tin Man have a gold nose? I don't know. Somebody in a Disney movie or a movie of some sort had a gold nose. I don't know what I'm trying to do. But I got the lip gloss. I have the highlight on my lip now. But it's always so much harder for me to put highlight on this side. I think it's because I'm right-handed. It's so much harder for me to do it. But look at that. Look at that. This is a fresh face. I'm actually gonna put some on my lid too, because exactly who is going to stop me? What I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna show you in a minute, because there is some flyaways involved. But look, yo. Look at. That's what I wanted to happen. That little, you know, that little V. That's what I wanted. But this, by Fenty Beauty. Yeah, see how it came off a little bit? That's what I had to do later on in the day, because it was too much. It was too much, so. This is it's so sheer, but so pigmented that I don't even know where to begin. There we go. My nose though, it's mad. It's a lot on my nose, but look at that, yo. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't. You can't tell me anything. Now for the finale. I feel like I'm being so extra, but let me hurry up. What I like about this that I didn't mention earlier is that it has, like, it's reflective. It's not like, it's not useless. If I don't have a mirror but I'm applying lip gloss on, I can look at my lip, clean out the corners, because you know your corners be full sometimes. I didn't even put this on in the store. Oh my god. Oh my god. If this not my... I can see Aaliyah J loving this. If this not my everyday lip gloss, I don't know what to tell you. Look, I could be all fake and cute. And then I can be regular degular mean cute. Let me just pat down on this a little bit. What I will invest in though is the I'll put some mascara on at the end. I'm just not gonna show y'all because I can't find my mascara right now. But I'll find it for my date tonight though. I'll find it. I will get blotting papers from her and try out the blotting powder because my face does get oily, as you guys saw in the beginning part of this video. But look, the lip gloss. Yo, Rihanna, Rihanna set a new high. She came to slay, not to play. But anyways, I don't want to make this video any much longer than it is. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. It was incredibly long, but I tried to keep it short. I got 4 items, and if I could rate the whole thing, I'd say a 10 out of 10. Like, everything is on par. The one thing I wish 1 pump or 2 pump would go a long way, but you'd find yourself needing more 2.5 pumps to 3 pumps of foundation. But it's quite a bit. It's a big tube. It's a big tube of foundation. And it oxidizes. It just, my friend was like, you don't even look like you're wearing foundation. And I'm like, talk to me now. Oh my god, I love it. Like, I can honestly, I can find myself getting up every day and doing this. Thank you, Riri. Thank you so much for making us brown girls feel included. But I gotta go. Thank you. Okay. Alright, bye.